Hello, we're going to show how to automatically calculate corporate income taxes from accounting data using the B2T engine. And we're going to show the process using a trivial example. Here's the example. We call it Hello World. We have a company P, that's a USA corporation. It has made $1,000 and it has no other activities. So first, we need to prepare an input file for the B2T engine to describe the business. The input file in the setup input sheet, we have a company P that is a USA corporation. It has an REV account that is mapped to the standard revenue account. In the recurring input sheet, the relevant accounting period is the first quarter, ending April 10th. This is the date that decides what tax rates and rules to use, because those rates and rules must be active on that date. And the company's REV account has an ending balance of 1,000. So that's the input file. With it, we need to submit it into the B2T engine to do the calculation. To do that, we go to the taxmeter.com, which is the same page, and we browse for the input file, Hello World. We selected that input file. We submit that input file into the B2T engine that has all the rates and rules, and the results come back. And it tells us the total tax expense is $210. There's an output file that contains a lot more details about the calculation. Let's take a quick look. So the output file is also in an Excel file. Let's open that, and we're going to enable editing and enable content. All the yellow tabs are the output data. The summary is in the first one, output summary. The key outputs are highlighted: the total tax expense, the current expense, and deferred expense, and effective tax rate. And it contains a lot of other detailed supporting data to show the calculation logic. So, to summarize how to automatically calculate income tax from accounting data, we first prepare an input file to describe the business. We then submit it to the B2T engine, which has all the relevant rates and rules. And we download the results, which has all the final answers and the supporting data and the calculation logic. That's it. Thanks for watching.